The WWE Universe just exploded.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Juarez, Chihuahua, Mexico, weighing in at 226 pounds, the felon, Vincent Santos.
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match. He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE.
Here they go, looking to put this one away, perhaps with one big, high-risk move. Opponent on the top rope, going up there to meet them.
To see how focused he is now. Oh, he kick right in the face. And just like that, it's all over. That's gotta be it. 2 count.
And that's all she wrote.
Here is your winner, the felon, Vincent Santos.
Impressive win for him here.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.